Hi, my name is Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scott Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for inquiring on the property you're about to view. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thanks a lot for your time and have a great day.
Close to all amenities including schools, shops and transport is this spacious unit, a must-see for anyone wanting only the highest levels of quality low-maintenance living. With a large formal lounge dining area, separate well-appointed kitchen, huge bedrooms with built-in robes, fully renovated bathroom, gas ducted heating throughout, remote lock-up garage and the added bonus of new carpets and fresh paint. If you enjoy entertaining, this feature-packed property comes fully equipped with a spacious backyard and outdoor entertaining area. Surrounded by beautifully manicured gardens, this very well-presented unit is close to everything you could ever want or need.
At Biggin and Scott Knox, we deliver.